Okay, YouTube, real quick. Bike came in, had a little accident. It's pissing radiator fluid, coolant, if you would say. It's gonna need a radiator. I don't know what I can do with this because he doesn't have a fender. But I do have a radiator and everything else you're gonna need. Okay, let's pop this off. This is not my work. Don't talk to me about it. I have nothing to say about it. I didn't install all of this stuff. I'm here to fix a broken radiator and find a way to fix these fenders. Let's get this front fascia off and see what we're working with. As we can clearly see, this radiator is ruined. There we go. He's definitely gonna need a new one, and definitely some hose clamps, of course. This thing is full of water, so it's all gonna spill out anyway because he just dumped a whole bunch of water in here to get it to where he had to go, just to keep it from overheating. Not recommended, but it is what it is. Right now we knocked off the clamps. See if we can get in there real quick. A lot of sun, but there's two clamps right there. Man, things are falling off this bike. Wow. Two clamps, and we're gonna take off these two bolts, which will pull us the radiator forward, and then don't forget to unclip the fan when you pull it out. Let's take these off. So I thought I was gonna have some fluid, but this thing is bone dry. Here we go. Right here it's all loose. The fan is attached. This is the clip. Take the clip out, pull it out, and replace it with the new one, which is around here somewhere. 4 bolts. Old one comes off. Throw this out and put the new one on. Where is it? There we go. Aftermarket. Does the same job. Same holes. Gonna put the fan back on and keep on working. Bolted on, radiator hose clamps in there, right? Then we're gonna add that very important piece. Shout out to Engine Ice for the lookout. Hey, type in code rolling on 3, you get 15% off of your Engine Ice. Only stuff I use inside my power sports. The only stuff. And when it comes to New York City, I run through tons of this stuff because everybody's hitting potholes, hitting curbs, just doing themselves in, constantly repairing radiators. So keep this stuff on hand. I advise you to buy like 4 bottles. This is about 1 in there now. Definitely gonna have to use another one. And it's a side pour, which is cool. You can do a side pour. That was the hear it. Maybe about 2.5 bottles to fill this bad boy back to operating temperature. Now we're going to start the bike. let it get hot, see what happens. Like I said, engine ice, rolling on 3, 15% off. So before we send him on his way, let's clean him up a little, make him look nice, you know. We have the Speed Coat ceramic-infused waterless car wash quick detail spray, clean everything up nice. And then we're gonna put a little tire shine on it. These two products plus a microfiber cloth you can order directly through me, the link below. This is my brand. I've been sitting down with a company for over a year, finalizing a perfect formula. Click the link below, free shipping. Only made for 3-wheel vehicles and of course motorcycles, but designed to keep your plastics, ABS, vinyl, all of that UV protected, and to keep you clean in between rides. So that's it, everybody. Job's done. Ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.